As a paintball, I want to travel to the mouse press location so I can attach myself to color targets. Paintball is shot from shooter when the mouse is clicked. The paintball stays on the screen when reaching the mouse click location, and the paintball stays to the paint targets are different colors. As a color target, I want to appear in a random order so the gamer has a hard time destroying us. The paintball becomes part of the enemy after reaching the mouse click location or collision point. The paintball stops when colliding with falling paint targets. The paintball can either be red, blue, or yellow. When shot, the paintball appears as the same size as the paint targets, and paint targets continuously fall at 0.5 megapixel per second rate vertically before reaching the game over line.